Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happinessmajoni, and if you are a returning subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is just today, and on today's video I am going to be doing the blue nails that you have seen at the beginning of the video. So things you will need the nails, the glue, and yeah, you are definitely going to be sticking the nails onto your natural nails. So I'm going to be doing this as you watch. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy as you watch this video, and I'm going to be updating you guys on the process of how I ended up having the blue nails. Enjoy. Hi guys, so this is the end product. This is the first hand that I have done. I haven't done the other one. I'll do it. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to be doing my nails. So this is the end product and this is what I'll be having on my other hand. So guys, that is it for today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. You know what to do. Leave a comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you in my next one. Bye.